Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Erzana Nabila binti Mushidi. I will be leading my group's presentation for our problem solving and programming concept mini project, which is our swimming club registration system. So since I will be leading the presentation, I will start off with our case study. So our case study basically focuses on our club having a new registration system for new members. So our case study consists of type of subscription plans that the new members can choose from, the discounts for the registration fee, the input data that has to be inputted by the user, and also it shows how many people they wish to register. And then finally we have the output format, which is the registration form that shows all of the members that have been registered.
My name is Nur Anisarani binti Muhammad Rahman with number matric
SD 23016.
Here I will be present part PAC flowchart without module, the checking, and then algorithm with module. First thing first is PAC. The PAC is the given data is total register, name, age, gender, address, IC number, date of register, student ID holder, and type of subscription type. The required result is name, age, gender, address, IC number, date of registration, student ID holder, subscription plan payment, actual registration fee, discount, registration fee after discount, and total payment. For processing is the user needs to enter total register right at the first, and then the system will be look whether lower than total register or not. If lower than total register, it will be looping and proceed to the next process, which is type of subscription plan. It will be look at what user input, and then we proceed to process the student ID holder. If not student ID holder, it will be run based on age. If age lower than 5, it will be multiple 1.0, which is 100% discount, and bring the discount 100%. If age between 5 and 14, it will calculate the discount based on register fee multiple 0.35. See, it's 35% discount, and will be print discount 35, and then if else from the age range age here, it will be print multiple 0, which is 0 discount. If it's not if it is a student ID holder, it will be process discount multiple 0.5. After get the discount value, it will be process calculate after discount, which is register fee plus spread discount, and then process total payment after discount plus plan payment. For solution alternative, it will define name as input, define age as input data, gender, address, identification number as data of register as input data, and then student ID holder as input data, and the last thing is type of subscription as input data.
Hello, my name is Elena binti GSS. This is our interactive chart for our swimming club registration form. Code for swimming club registration is 0000. Code for enter is 1000. Code for calculate is 2000. And code for print is 3000. We put the circle between the arrow because there is a looping from editor, calculate until print. And then after enter, we put a diamond check because there's a decision between subplan and student. Code for subplan is 1100 and code for student is 1200.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Hi, my name is Nur Izzati. So I will present about IPO, which is input processing output. IPO have we have input processing, modular, and output. So in input we have name, age, gender, address, IC number, date of registration, student ID holder, type of subscription plan, and processing intername and until inter student ID processing. So okay, and then calculate discount. Calculate after discount total payment, and lastly print discount, print registration, and print total payment. So the column is modular. So intername until inter student ID holder is read. Calculate discount until calculate total payment is calculate. Print discount until print total payment is print. So N is crop swimming control. So lastly is output. So output in output total payment.
Next, we have the algorithm without module. So in programming, an algorithm is basically a set of well-defined instructions designed to solve a specific problem. So here is the algorithm. Since our total registrations earlier is equal to 2, our system will loop once. So here, after the first member has filled out all of the information and all of the payments that have to be made have been counted, the system will loop back to the very beginning and have the second member fill out their information, and will also calculate the payments that has to be made by that member. And then once all the registrations have been processed, the system will end and will print out the registration form. So as you can see here, we have two decisions. One is for the type of subscription plan, which includes the plan payment. So here we have monthly, half year, and yearly. And then we have our nested decision for the registration fee. So if the person is not a student ID holder, then if the age is less than 5, the discount equals to 100%. Age is more than 5 and less than 14, discount is 25%. And then if it is not any of the above, the discount will be 0%. Or if the person is a student, then the discount will be 15%. So that is it for our algorithm.
We'll be explain about flowchart. The flowchart, let's I tell, and we will try the flowchart based on the study. Containing software, software person, page of sample, in the address here, receiver, registration fee, registration, the registration here, in the output, for the output, in this plan 1, so 20, green, and this one is y, right? But in flowchart we use 0 because the condition here cannot be n, cannot be ny. So 0 for student holder. Green and affiliate, and that's why we go to here in 1 is lower than total register, and go to the next condition, the next user, was the consent, age 16, email, address here, address here, IC here, date here, to be seen, and as the subscription one, as the student ID holder, since it's not, it's 1 here, and this one 1. Then at the loop, and it seems it's not. Here the output. The output. Sophia person, age 21, F, address, IC, the registration, plan, payment plan, actual registration 50, discount 50, student holder. This one, total payment, and then name. This one, and this one, this one, this one.
Okay, next I will present about desk checking.
First thing first, in the next I will present about desk checking. First thing first, in the algorithm with module, if we start desk checking, I will be learn with empathy, and then the second one is loop equals 0. I will here unzip total register and character register 2. While loop is lower than total register, it's looping. Here is 2 is lower than 0. Loop 0 is lower than 2. Yes, it's really loop. First thing first is I just need to input the data until the line graph. So here the data is Sophia, name Sophia, age 21, gender F, and then this one is address, date register, the IC date register, and the 11 is student ID Y. Then student ID Y, and then here type of subscription is 1. Subscription is 1. Here type of subscription is 1. So the input data the user input should be here. The next one is print all the data that we need that have been input. This is all this, and then plan. So the condition. This is will be included in the condition. Condition 1 equal 1 is true. So in the condition part. The next one. This one is 1 true. So we skip the line. It's will be skip line 14, and this one and go to else. This one. So in the table 18, 19, 18, 19. because skip the 14. Because the condition is equal 1. And then plan payment, 100, 15. This one, plan payment. Then it's the different half year in line, nothing. And then skip it will be exit the if else statement in line 23 and then proceed to line 24, which is bring the plan payment. Plan payment, 24 bring the plan payment, this one. And then 25 is register fee, which is constant. Register fee constant. Register fee constant. And then proceed to the ID holder, which is the condition, this one. In the line 16, it's false, so it's within skip to the line 38, 37, because it was so not will be tested in the nested, this one. So process the line 77, 37, which is discount, register fee, article 0.15 equals 750. Then 36, the different discount 15, and then calculate the discount, register in line, register in line 39, and then calculate for in line 14, calculate total register, which is using this one, calculate, edit this one and this one. Total payment is register fee, update dengan register fee, update with the payment. Then in line 41, print all the item, and then 42, loop plus 1. After loop plus 1, it will be and loop and tested with the condition again. But it's empty. So one test with the cost. Test just like just now. Tested all. After done, it will be the loop, which is loop plus 1. And then after settle is loop plus 1. And then test this one. Since the loop and register is same is so it's no and it will be end the loop. Once it will be end the loop and produce thank you. End the loop from this one and loop and print. And
We have our coupling diagram. So in programming, a coupling diagram is a visual representation that illustrates the relationships and dependencies between different modules within a software system. This basically helps us in understanding the connections between various parts of the system. So here is our coupling diagram. It is based off of our flowchart with module and our algorithm with module. So as you can see here are our modules. We have read member info, plan info, calculate register discount, after discount, total payment, and then we have print member info, plan info, and total payment. So the double arrows indicate which inputs are generated at the specific modules, and yeah, that is it for the coupling diagram.
Next is data dictionary. So in data dictionary we have 4 columns, which is data item, variable name, data type, and modular. So in data type we have name, age, gender, address, IC number, date of register, student ID holder, type of subscription plan, plan payment, discount, after discount, register fee, and lastly total payment. So data type for name is character, data type for age is number integer, data type gender is character, and also address is character string, and also IC number is character string. Data of register is character string or date, student ID number is integer. So student type of subscription plan is character string. Play payment until total payment data type is numeric dir. So the last column is modular, so you can see. Alright.
okay, next we will proceed to the algorithm with module. First thing first is one start, second load equals 0. It is with a constant, content is entered total register. Will be input by user. While the load is lower than total register, it will be lower and use process go to the module. First thing first, the module for his SIG, have SIG. First is read member info, read plan info, calculate register discount, calculate after discount, calculate total payment, bring member info, total payment, and then total payment. After that, this will loop plus and go to the while. Again, if the load still lower than total register, it will process again throughout the module. First thing we'll go one by one module, and then loop plus 1. If the loop still lower than total register, it will still looping. If not, we'll end the loop and print thank you for register. Welcome to our club. And then it's end.
Execute the flowchart. How many person do you want to register? I want to register 2%. Name is Sophia Carson. Age 21. And then gender is female. Address is number 45. Over the street identification number is 0210264132. For that registration, this one, 2022, and then plan, we have to choose whether in monthly or half year or yearly. So I will choose one for half year. Student ID holder, Y is for yes, and N for no. I will yes. Okay, this is for the person 2 because I want to register 2%, and then this is the second person. Internet, I will enter Rosie Carson. Age is 16, gender is female, address is number 45, Everdell Street, Everdell Street, and then identification is 081005 14 and date is July 2022, and yes, I will choose one for half year, and then I will choose in for no. Okay, this is the output that I enter in Fairchild module. As you see that they are already put a discount for Sophia because Sophia is student, but they didn't put a discount to Rosie because Rosie have a discount, I think, because Rosie is not student. And yeah, that's all.
Next is this is our programming. So our coding for this project.
So we will test our coding based on case study. So in test 2, internet Sophia person, age 21, gender female, so string character. On the address and profile favor the state was number 126 14 150. So it for 2023. So yes, your type of subscription fee is 1. So this is total payment for second person, and the second person is for 7%. Age 16, legal female, address inverted street, IC number 08100 114 microchip 2022. So the student ID holder, so no. Type of subscription plan 1. So this is total payment for Rosie Carson. So this is it's a swimming club member registration form.
This is our interface prototype. Initially, the staff will log in to the website and register to the member. So we can choose how many people to register. Next, in order to verify which discount you receive, you must select whether or not you are a student as well as your age. Additionally, you must select one of the 3 subscription plans. After completing the registration, they must have pressed the print button to view the total fee, which includes the discount, and they are ready to be a new member of swimming club.